Hey everyone, Google Stitch versus Figma make two AI design tools promising to speed up your UI workflow, but which one actually delivers? I've tested both extensively, and the differences are bigger than you think. If you're deciding where to invest your time, stick around and hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tool breakdowns like this. Quick context. Google Stitch is Google's experimental AI that generates UI components from text prompts, focusing on material design standards. Figma Make isn't a real product. Figma's AI features are built into FigJam AI and Dev mode, helping you generate wireframes and translate designs into code. So we're really comparing Google's standalone AI tool against Figma's integrated AI ecosystem. Let's break down what matters. Output quality. Stitch generates cleaner, production-ready material components, buttons, cards, layouts that follow Google's design system perfectly. Figma's AI excels at quick wireframing and brainstorming, but outputs need refinement before production. Workflow integration. Here's the key difference. Stitch is isolated. You generate components, then manually move them into your design tool. Figma's AI lives inside your workspace. You're already in the tool where your team collaborates, where your design system exists, and where developers pull specs. Customization. Stitch gives you limited control. It's focused on material design patterns. Figma AI is more flexible. You can iterate on wireframes, adjust with natural language, and it learns your component library over time. Code output. Stitch exports. React components following Material UI standards. Great if that's your stack. Figma Dev Mode translates designs into React, Vue, or CSS, but it's translating your designs, not generating from scratch. Speed. For rapid material design prototypes, Stitch is faster, one prompt, done. But for real projects with existing design systems and team workflows, Figma's integration saves more time overall because you're not context switching between tools. Bottom line, choose Stitch if you're building material design projects fast and need instant, standards-compliant components. Choose Figma if you work in teams, have established design systems, or need AI that fits into your existing workflow, not a separate tool to juggle. Stitch is powerful but isolated. Figma is practical because it's where your work already lives. That's the real difference. If this helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tool comparisons, and check the description for links to both tools. See you in the next one.